What's up, vlog?
Merry Christmas!
So, it's December 25. Ayun, December 25 na dito. And ang plan namin today...
Mahangin na mainit. Anyway.
Ang plan namin today ay... Ano? Gym? Mag-gym muna kami.
Lunch.
Ay, lunch, tapos gym, tapos beach, tapos sa city kami mag-dinner mamaya. Okay? Okay? Tingin nga dito. Yeah. So, di ba nga, mag-gym muna kami. Siyempre, kailangan ko pasalamatan
Nike,
yung...
Team Nike.
Kailangan ko pasalamatan yung sponsor ko. Ay, yun o.
Except babe.
Baka naman, Gymshark. Baka naman. Hanggang ngayon, ayun ata, pizza, pasta. Hanggang ngayon wala pa kami nahanap na kakainan. Kasi it's Christmas. Pero bakit sa Pinas, pag Christmas, lahat bukas?
Kasi marami tayong pera.
Dito, hindi. So, ayun o, puro sarado. Gutom na kami. It's 12 o'clock. Ito. Ano to?
Sarah. Hey guys, so we're eating at this fish and chips, hamburger, kebab, whatever stuff. It's the only place open. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, so that's what we're doing.
Simula dumating ako Australia, wala pa rin ako kinakaing rice. So,
sad.
Wala lang, sad. Kain lang kami. And lumabas kami kasi mas malamig sa labas. Lumabas kami sa labas. Ano?
So, hi Ada, Merry Christmas.
Yun lang, share ko lang, lumabas kami. So, ito yung binili namin for brunch. 1/2 chicken, roasted chicken with chips. Tapos may extra bayad tong gravy, walang iya. Pero ang dami. Soup. Walang iya yan.
Actually, hindi ko alam kung makapag-gym pa ako after.
Ako water. Dati, apple juice.
Oy, may story ako. You know guys, when I was in Tasmania, bumili kasi ako ng 2 liters ng apple juice.
Boring!
Tapos parang nakita nung tour guide / driver namin. Tapos parang sabi niya, wow, that's bigger than you. That's bigger than your hands. Sabi ko, yeah, I love apple juice. Tapos,
boring! Walang kwenta yung story niya, kaya ikakat kayo sa vlog. Kain lang kami, bye! So, kakatapos lang namin kumain. And sabi ko kay ate, gusto ko pa magpahinga kasi busog pa. Pero, natatay na daw siya. Kaya, gusto daw niya tumayo sa anytime. So, sige.
alam ko, saan ako tatay? Doon may siya.
Then, gym na kami. Bye-bye!
1 hour later.
Woo!
Vanilla lang kayo. Chocolate na lang.
And yun, kakatapos na namin mag-gym. Ayan, so, we all ng Ultimate High Protein Shake. Yeah, so ayan, on the way na kami sa beach. Parehas kami ng binili.
Gaya-gaya siya.
Ako yung nauna, nakita nyo naman. Ayan. Sobrang thick.
Pangit. Hey guys, so we're at St. Kilda. We're on the way to the beach to chill, play catch, and eat. I'm gonna introduce him to Brainwaves, which is like the better version of Nova.
Yep. Oh shit!
Hindi pala. Hindi tayo. Joke lang.
So, nandito na kami sa beach. Tapos, nakalimutan namin magpalit ng basta pang beach na outfit. Tapos, ako kasi magubad lang ako, pero di na ako nagpalit ng shorts.
Kasi sabi ko, hindi naman ako mag-school. Papainit lang. So,
Tapos, itong isa kong... Kasi yung kapatid kong magician.
No, guys, nakapagpalit ako from my sports bra into a bikini top here, outside. Sobrang magic. Tapos now, I'm changing into from shorts and underwear.
Punit.
Hindi flexible.
Punit ang pante. Punit ang pante. Okay, so yun, bye-bye. What's up? Kakatakas lang namin tumambay sa beach.
May gummy bears dun sa ngipin ko, pero whatever.
Mainit, pero ang lamig ng hangin. As in, sisipunin ka pa rin kahit mainit.
Mahangin. Mainit na mahangin. Anyway, we're gonna play catch and throw for a few minutes and then shower and then go to the city. Find stuff to do, whatever. Yes.
Catch and throw muna tayo. Okay, so pabalik na kami sa hostel. Tapos, it's time to ligo. Tapos, punta na kaming city. City. Picture, IG. Gucci Gang. Shoutout sa kanya kasi niregaluhan niya ako ng Gucci shirt. Dahil siyang pera. Kahit wala siyang trabaho dito. Ayun lang.
One hour later.
Binigyan niya ako ng Gucci shirt na brand new. So, binigay ko sa kanya yung pinagluhaw.
Ito lang yung, this is the only time I can wear Gucci clothing.
Pero nakaano siya.
I mean, I have stuff. But, sabi niya, low-key Gucci lang tayo. This is the only time I get to wear Gucci clothing. Yung pinaglumaan ng kapatid ko.
Gucci gang.
What's up, guys? So we are still at the town hall where there's Christmas decorations. It's not the Christmas tree, but there's like nutcracker and stuff. And we're still trying to take the perfect Instagram photo for my brother.
Eventually.
So, kakataos lang namin mag-picture for IG. Masaya na ako. And ngayon, hanap na kami ng kainan for dinner.
It's on the right. Wala namang...
Gang.
May nakikita ba kayong Korean restaurant? Kasi ako wala.
Gucci gang.
What's up, guys? We're finally having dinner.
Finally, nahanap na namin.
Italian restaurant.
Ano yan?
Macaroni.
Macaroni. Akala ko, acharoni. So, kain kami sa macaroni.
Hey guys, so we are at Macaroni. It's an Italian restaurant and we're having this. I'm having tagliatelle. Thank you. We're having pepperoni and bacon and spaghetti carbonara.
Gucci gang.
So, kakataos lang namin kumain.
Guys, nanginginig
And upo muna kami kasi mag-isip kami ng challenge namin for this vlog. Kending nene.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, felt the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me? Pull up in a demon on guard.
So yun, kakataos lang namin mag-shoot ng ZZ Challenge. And pauwi na kami ngayon. Nagbubok na si ate ng Kubo! Geng.
Gucci gang.
So, kakarating lang namin sa hostel. Kakababa lang namin.
9:10 in the evening.
9:10 na. And sabi niya, gusto lang... Oh, come on!
Sige. Sabi ko.
Gusto lang niya ipakita yung outfit namin sa inyo.
Sige, sabi ko.
So, unahin na natin siya since siya naman yung nag-request. Akin na yan. Ako naman ha.
Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. Hey. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. Talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
So that's it for this vlog.
Yes, that's it.
Merry Christmas and
Merry Christmas,
wala pa.
y'all.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Happy New Year next week.
Good night, mate. Good night, mate. Good night, mate. Gang gang.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.